to Target today.
Yeah.
And we went and bought all of this stuff. And we're just going to be opening them.
Yeah, so here we have Num Nums.
And here we have Soft and Slow Squishy's Most Surprised.
And here we have some Smooshy Mooshy, those ones that have best friends.
And then we have another of the Soft and Slow Squishies, but this
Peel
is
reveal.
the Peel Reveal, where it brings 3 things and then it brings a set.
It's like a set. I like seeing it. You could get the colors
Blue
purple, blue,
and
and
pink.
pink. I'm pretty sure those are the colors.
There can be more in the future,
Yeah,
but
right for now.
yeah. So let's first open the Num Nums.
Yeah.
But before we get right into this video, please like this
and
video, subscribe to our channel to become a unicorn, and turn on your post notifications to get notified every single time we post a new video. So let's just get right into this video. Alright, so first we're going to start off with the Num Nums.
I'll start off with something else. Like I'll start peeling this.
Okay, this is the Series 2 Num Num Lights.
We've opened Num Nums before, but not the light up.
And this one brings a ring. So
Yeah.
it brings 1 Num Num, 1 light up Num Num, and 1 ring. That's what it apparently says. So
Oh, you
here
could
is
be one of those both. I think it's like.
So
it's
here's
either
how
all
it
of them
starts
or
off.
one of them.
It's
It's like peel right here.
And they're scented.
Ooh, that's cool. I like that. That feels good.
So yeah,
It's like, oh,
and then
oh my god, this is a little.
we're gonna let's. That's the one that I wanted. We got so lucky.
So there's like these.
What are their names?
Like there's no checklist. Or
Okay,
anything.
but this is the checklist. This is. I don't know why here it says Series 4 when the box says
I wanted to
Series
get the
2,
frog.
3, 1.
It looks so cute. Oh my gosh.
But
how does it smell like you?
it smells sort of good, not really.
It smells. I'm sorry. It's just that I have one hand.
Okay, now let me
Because
open
it's
up
super
mine.
squishy, but at the same time dense.
So this is the
Cute.
packaging. If you never seen Num Num's packaging or anything, this is the Num Nums.
Oh, you guys can see it.
Okay, there. We'll show them at the end, but for right now, let's put it right there. Oh my god, they're so squishy. Okay, so.
We're just gonna.
Oh yeah, so it brings the Num Num, the light up Num thing, and then it brings the ring where you can put the Num Num on it. Oh my. Okay. Well, apparently it's a.
Oh, there you go, guys.
Okay, it's kind of like hard. Okay, and there your little
Num num.
Num Num ring. It's
Okay,
really cute.
wait. Gabby, you put it wrong or something because.
It's supposed to light up.
Here you go.
Okay,
Because
there.
it's supposed to touch it. No,
Let me
Gabby.
see.
It's supposed to touch the ring. Yo. Look. So it's like this. So first put it
Yeah.
on like that. First put it on.
However, oh my god, the bright is so light. The light is so bright.
Okay, now you can put it on.
Okay, and then this is the scented one. Oh my god, he's so cute.
Yeah, I think it's a
Okay.
bumblebee. Wait, where's the checklist? I'll tell you what's the name. Oh my gosh, there's a bunch to collect. Wait, oh, here it is. It's Bridget Banana.
Okay.
It looks super cute. I love the name. It's a banana. I think it's like a banana.
Smell type.
It's like raw candy Num Nums. That's like the section where it's at right now. That's how the list looks.
And you guys can get these Num Nums at Walmart, Target. Really. Those are the only places I know. But that's a checklist. So
Okay,
I'm
I'm
it's
gonna
really
be
cute.
opening.
I want to open this one.
Okay, I'll just open the best friends. I know there's a lot of sparkles on it.
I'm gonna open this one last after you.
Oh my god.
So I'm sorry that you don't see her face. Lay down. So they
Oh
can
my
see
gosh,
you.
because this is hard to open, lay down. Like,
But this is so cute, guys. And I'm sorry for the bad lighting and everything.
sorry. Oh my gosh, how
But
do
this
you...
is the one that I wanted.
Can you try to open this?
I got it.
Okay, now, let me open this. Koala.
I'm excited.
I've never opened these before, but I've seen like videos of it. Okay, so this is how it looks. There's like another little packaging, but it's...
What is
It's
it?
a unicorn!
It's a unicorn! Oh my god, and that's the one that we wanted to. We're getting lucky today, guys.
Oh, okay, now, the surprise is not that, but this is a unicorn.
We're just getting lucky today, aren't we?
My mom bought me this one, the rest she bought. I was like, it smells good. It smells good to me.
Mini surprise inside.
So this is the best friend. I know what it is. I'm pretty sure what it is. Here's
Okay.
like the list.
And it brings...
Here's the list. You can tell them the list.
Okay. And it brings these little
Keychains. Okay.
keychains for
so
them?
let's see the best friend. Because it could be different best friends. I'm not sure. What type of best friends they could
I'm
get?
looking in the checklist.
Which one did we
We
get?
got the carrot. No, we got the little...
Oh, it's so cute.
Oh my god, guys. You guys need to buy these. Oh my god,
was
it's so cute.
like,
When you put the keychains on them, how do you
like, hi.
how do you put the keychains on them?
Oh, hold up.
Wait, put the arrange them like pink one. Put the yellow one on here and the pink one on here. So while she's figuring that out, I'll start opening this one. Now I have the
Now,
hard
I don't know how to
packaging.
do this, but I'm trying my best, okay? Like,
Oh my god, I'm sorry if we get
oh, so let's
quiet.
tell them which one we want first. Okay, so I'm hoping for the chicken or the koala.
Or the seal.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this
I also-
one got opened,
Or the bunny. I don't
I'm
really
hoping-
care because they're all cute.
but like, those are the ones we are hoping for.
Like, I hope we get it. And I can't open it, so I'm going to be right back. I'm going to go get some scissors or whatever. Pencil. I don't know.
Oh, she's over there. I'm gonna try to open this.
Okay.
Okay, so I cannot open it. No, I couldn't open it. I can't open it.
Okay, so
It's too hard.
I got the packaging
Like, we could put it in our back.
bed. But don't, because last time it fell. Okay.
Oh, but like, it's sealed.
Okay, so I'm going to open number 1.
That's how you have to go. We could go different orders, I guess.
Okay, so we got the cake for starting.
Oh, let me feel it. Oh, it's like a mochi. Oh my god. They feel just like mochi.
And then I'm going to go with number 2. So we got a piece of cake.
Another piece. I think we got the birthday party. And what's the animal?
Oh my god.
It's like, okay, surprise.
We got the... I
Wolf.
don't even know.
I think it's the wolf, I'm pretty sure.
It's this one.
Well, who knows what that is, but I'm pretty
Now
sure
let's
it's
look at the set. Oh, okay.
It has instructions. Okay, so this is how it goes, Gabby, because I've seen videos of this. I mean, it's like this, and it's like, I think it's the bakery then. It's the bakery.
Yeah.
So I make a
So
mess here. Same.
this should go like...
No.
No?
It goes like
Okay.
this
Oh.
here. And where's the little animal?
This is number 1.
No. It's like this.
It's like that.
That's how I saw it on YouTube.
But this is number 2.
Oh, well. Because like it's the
This
seat,
is
so it
number-
makes sense.
It does. I don't know why they made it like that.
I don't know, and I don't care about like. I'm so happy I got the unicorn. Like every YouTuber gets the unicorn. Like I've seen videos of it, and everybody gets the unicorn the first time.
So this is how it looks.
Oh, they're mochis,
But
so
they're-
they could just.
Yeah, they're really cute.
But it's cute, Tom.
They're really cute.
It's like you could get these like Target,
Walmart.
Walmart. Let me see who else. Where else?
I think you could get them
Your 5 and Below store.
maybe 5 and below. I don't know really.
It's just in here. Oh, if it's in here, perfect. If it's in here, perfect. It's like cute.
Now that's gonna be its little cake. But this one's so cute.
It's like a what? It's a shake, right? Let me tell you guys how it. No, what I've been wanting to get. It's just that our Walmart. We first went to Target. They were these, And then we went to Walmart because the set wasn't out at Target. So when we went, it was like not. Oh, and it was like not even there either. So, okay. And in the back, it tells you how to make like a banana split. Cute. So it's super cute. Right here. Those you could get the panda. You could get like a cat. You could get like a unicorn, or you could get the mouse.
Let me see them.
They all bring best friends. I'm just saying.
So the one that we got was the Adele unicorn and Delina banana. I like the panda one.
Panda
Because it brings a little
blueberry.
I like the strawberry.
Oh, where's
one
the
too.
best friend? Okay, I have an idea.
I had the best friend earlier.
Where's the best friend now? Where'd it go? Oh, here it is.
Okay.
See, like, no, the other one has its own smoothie.
Yeah, you could just put it in there.
No.
But it doesn't even fit.
It doesn't even fit. So, like,
But wait, let me see.
there's this case you could get, and it brings, like...
It does fit.
It brings, like, a full set, and it's, like, 2 best friends, and there's one big, but it's really big. It's, like, this size. You could get, like, the burger, I think.
Was that the other milkshake one? Or no?
No, it's the one. You could
Put
get
that in
the... You could get the burger. You could get
Could get many different.
the wrap of like a pizza, and like you could get, I think it's a like taco.